I could use some motivation, but I know how I feel. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end. Faster than you like, it's over and that's the end.
So guys, my plan is कि मैं जितना भी मेरा TBR है I'll keep it in the top shelves so that वो मुझे constant reminder मिलता रहे कि भाई ये किताब पढ़ ले नहीं खरीदने से पहले. And बाकी किताबें I'll start arranging them. I'll keep genres together and I'll try to keep color coding also. And I'll try to keep same author की book साथ में. Let's start organizing it. Let's figure out कि क्या workout करेगा. Turns out कि मेरा जो TBR है has grown more than what I have already read. तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि I'll bring down this section यहाँ पे and so मेरा TBR को मैं यहाँ पे जमा दूँगी and if there is some more books which definitely will be there तो वो मैं यहाँ ले आऊँगी is what I have thought. और what I can do is other thing is I'll bring this one down क्योंकि ये उतना ही space है and I'll continue my TBR here. So ये मैंने सोचा है. Let's try doing that.
Say what I want when it's real. If I see you acting patient, you never know your last meal. Faster than you like, sober and that's the end.
So this is the final look of my bookshelf, and in the second shelf I have kept two books in which my short stories have been published. That is the Spring Sunshine and Stories of Love. Thank you for watching the video. For more book related content, please subscribe to my channel.